Ion formation and the periodic table. So we'll start with the group 1 elements, including lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and we'll put hydrogen here too. They all have one electron in the valence shell, and they can lose that electron to form 1 plus ions. Moving on to group 2, they have 2 valence electrons. They can lose both those valence electrons to give 2 plus ions. So next we're on to group 3. They have 3 electrons in the valence shell, so they form 3 plus ions. Next on to group 4, starting with carbon. It takes too much energy to remove the 4 valence electrons, and also it takes too much energy to add 4 valence electrons, so they don't form ions in group 4. So next we're on to group 5, starting with nitrogen and phosphorus. They have 5 valence electrons. That means they can accept 3 electrons to give them a full outer shell, so they form 3 negative ions. Then on to group 6, starting with oxygen. They have 6 valence electrons, so they can gain 2 to form 2 negative ions. And now we're on to the group 7 elements. They can gain 1 electron to the valence shell to gain a full outer shell, and they make 1 negative ions. And finally, the noble gases, they have full outer shells of electrons, so they don't form ions.